Okay, this is blended egusi, stock cubes, of course crayfish, salt, and black pepper. So all I'm going to do is just add a little water to it, stir it into a relatively thick paste, pour it into my pot of oil, stir and fry till it makes my crumbles. Right.
I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. It took my shame, it took my pain. My Jesus gave me his name. Now I reign with him. All my days I'll sing his praise. Everywhere that I go, everything that I do, all I see is grace. Everywhere that I go, everything that I do, all I see is grace. Grace, grace, grace. I see grace. Grace, grace, grace. All I see is grace. Grace, grace, grace. I see grace.
Oh my god, keep stirring. I have poured my egusi paste, guys, into my hot oil. I've added the roux so that the flavor can blend properly, and I have my bowl of stock fish. I want all the flavors infused while I fry, so that once hot water enters, that sizzle will extract all the flavors and boom, your yummy yummy. But the work here is the frying. There are other easier ways to make egusi dough that you will not kill yourself with this frying, but then sometimes you just have to do some things. Yup. I already washed bitter leaf and cooked meat. So I'm putting them last because they have been cooked, properly cooked, and I've earlier used the stock. So what I'm going to do now is allow it to simmer a bit and then get my very soft smoked fish. The idea of putting the smoked fish last is so that it doesn't scatter in it, and of course so that it doesn't overcook anyway. So yeah, because it's really soft, so let it just cook a bit. Yeah, so this is the fish. Because it's very soft, I'm putting it last. If it was, or rather towards the end of the cooking, if it was a tougher, like tilapia, very smoked, you should actually put it earlier so that it can cook better. Everything fresh, everything clean, everything nice. Yep, our soup is ready. Ready. This is it. Egusi soup with beef, smoked fish, stockfish, and all the serere, colored with bitter leaf. Okay, finally, yellow pepper and black pepper. Nothing serious, just massage it to diffuse into the other parts of the soup. Ooh. So here you go. Here you go, go. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you for watching.